Meaning of fellatio.
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 Fellatio. Fellatio refers to oral sex act in which a person stimulates their partner's genitals using their mouth, lips, and tongue. Typically, this involves the stimulation of the penis. The goal of fellatio is to provide pleasure to the individual receiving the act. This can result in a number of physical sensations, including arousal and orgasm. However, as with any sexual activity, the experience of fellatio can vary from person to person, depending on a variety of factors such as personal preference, technique, and level of intimacy.